To be able to forget means sanity. The secret to success is to do the common things uncommonly well. Laws are like cobwebs, which may catch small flies, but let wasps and hornets break through. Your enemies can kill you, but only your friends can hurt you. Never close your lips to those whom you have already opened your heart to. You can overcome bad habits only today, not tomorrow. To lead people, follow them. The first man gets the oyster. The second man gets the shell. It is better to make approximately correct decision than to make a precise mistake. Never compete with someone who has nothing to lose. Begin, be bold, and venture to be wise. Stupid is the man who always remains the same. If you're going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. No woman or man really knows what perfect love is until they have been married a quarter of a century. The world belongs to the patient. Seek wisdom, not knowledge. Knowledge is of the past. Wisdom is of the future. The only person with whom you have to compare ourselves is that you in the past. And the only person better you should be, this is who you are now. If a man knows more than others, he becomes lonely. Smart people learn from everything and everyone. Average people from their experiences. Stupid people already have all the answers. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. Success is stumbling from failure to failure, with no loss of enthusiasm. He who walks straight rarely falls. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. What we do now echoes in eternity. If you can't do great things, do small things in a great way. Don't wait for the right opportunity. Create it.